So, how do you screen record on Windows 10? So to start off, I've already opened up an application that I recommend you use for screen recording. So this is the OBS, and you can install the OBS through searching for OBS Studio. And here you just need to click on the first link. And here you need to click on which devices you have. So for now, we just need to click on Windows, and it would automatically install the installer. So I'm just gonna cancel that since I already installed OBS. So after you install the application, you just need to head over to the OBS here, and now you need to create a scene. So just right click, add, and press OK. Now you have scene 2, and here you just need to click on the plus sign, or either right click and press add. Now here there's a lot of options to choose. So if you want to have your full display captured, you can click on display capture, or if you want to capture your game, you just need to click on game capture. So for now, we can use the window capture, where it would only capture the present window. So what does that mean? It means that any applications that is currently being used can be put in as a window. So let's say we want to use the tab on the Chrome, and as you can see, it does record it. And after you're done with it, you just need to press on record, and it would automatically do the thing. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.